how to sign up for a new instance and how to log into that instance to get going. So the first step is to complete the sign up form. You need to fill in the form and submit it. Once you submit the form, Salesforce will send out an email to you which you have to verify by clicking on a button. The third step, which is the last step, is to change the password because Salesforce will not set it up for you. Okay, to sign up for a developer edition, you need to go to Google and search for sign up for Salesforce Developer Edition. Okay, you might be able to see so many results, right? But you need to look for the result from the Salesforce's official site, which is developer.salesforce.com. You need to click on this result. This will show you a sign up screen. Here you need to fill this form, right? So let's fill it up. Specify an email ID. So this email ID is very important. So make sure that you have access to this email ID. You need to specify a job role. You need to specify your company name. You need to specify your region. Specify your state code, then postal code, and then the username. Again, so whenever you specify a username, it has to be unique, right? And it should be always in a email ID format, right? So like first name, last name, @domain name, right? In this format, the username has to be. You can use your email ID as your username as it is going to be unique. But here is a trick, right? With the same email ID, if you want to create multiple developer edition instances, that is also possible, right? So that is the reason you can use the same email ID, but you can have different usernames. So your username doesn't need to be same as that of your email ID, right? So I'll simply say simplified@salesforce.com, right? Now if you look at my username, it is in the email format, right? That way you can create virtually a number of developer editions, right? But I would recommend, if you're getting started for the first time, make sure you have this email ID accessible and handy and you remember this username. Okay, then you need to click on this MSA and click on this sign me up button. Alright, so once the sign up process is complete, Salesforce will send an email to you. That email will be sent to the email ID that you had specified during the sign up process. If you go to your email account, you should be able to see an email saying welcome to Salesforce, verify your account. Okay, you can check from where that email is coming from, right? If you scroll down to this email, you should be able to see a verify account button, right? This is a very important step to complete the sign up process. If you do not complete the sign up process, you will not be able to log into that instance. So let's go ahead and click on this verify account button. So the first screen that it will appear will allow you or ask you to specify the password. So the new password you need to specify, confirm the password, and it will also ask you a security question. You have to answer these questions and click on change password. So once you have filled in all the details, you need to click on change password. Now, as soon as that process is complete, it will take you to the. So this is the landing page of your developer org or developer edition. Now once you are signed up for your developer edition and you are logged into an instance, one more important thing that you need to remember is that once you log out of your Salesforce Developer Edition, you need to know how to log into that instance again, right? So the way we have is by referring to the email that you received in the beginning. So on the screen, if you can see, this is the email that you had received, right? Below the verify account button, there is hyperlink, right? So this is the instance URL, right? So the next time whenever you want to log in, you need to click on this and then, so it will take you to this login screen, right? So here you need to specify your username followed by the password. Here you go. You're again logged into your developer edition. If you like this video, please do like and share. If you want to receive more of such informative content, please hit the subscribe button. If you want us to make content related to any Salesforce or Salesforce related topic, please do let us know through comments.